this open Pixar tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. The first step, go to add photo and select the PNG. Now simply stretch it like this. Tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to go to add photo and select the model image. It look like after erasing the background. Simply stretch it and you have to arrange this model image perfectly in this position like this. Okay, arrange in this position in the middle. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the size and erase on the bottom portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. Before that, we have to go to FX, tap on FX, to go to Lomo. Okay, we have to search for Lomo. This is the Lomo. Now tap on Lomo and decrease the vignette to 0 and amount to 0 and fade it around 50. Okay, around 50. Now tap on tick. Now go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. Friends, it is how it look after erasing the background. Now you have to erase your model perfectly in the center like this. Now tap on the shadow, tap on position and make it 100 and make it 100. Tap on adjust, make it 100 and decrease and keep around 20 like this. Okay, now tap on add photo and select the shadow PNG. When this is the shadow PNG, now zoom in like this. Now keep it below the model image. Tap on layers, tap on move down. Again tap on duplicate and keep in this portion. Tap on move down. Perfect. Okay. Now decrease a little opacity for the both shadow. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to add the name PNG. Okay, text. Go to text and write Instagram model. Tap on tick. Now you have to select this font QT Mono and you have to go to bend and you have to bend it, and first you have to arrange it and tap on color, tap on black color and bring it close. Again go to bend and give the angle perfectly, bring it close. It's perfect. Now again go to text. This time I am going to write model name. Tap on tick, select the color as usual black color and rotate it and bring it here. You have to go to bend and give the angle and increase the size. I written name wrong. Okay, done. Tick and give the bend and arrange it perfectly. Okay, arrange in this portion. You have to give the perfect bend. It is perfect. Now tap on it and now have to go to draw. Tap on draw, select these shapes, tap on this circle, tap on OK, select the color, tap on this red color and draw one circle around the model name like this. Okay, now tap on this eraser. You have to erase the inside portions like this. Okay, erase it like this. Perfect. Erase the inside portions. Now tap on tick. The next step, you can add any PNGs on the background. For this you have to go to add photo and select some PNG social media icons. For the some of the social media icons, simply arrange randomly like I am doing in the video. Okay, for simply the stylish, simply for attraction purpose. Okay, you can add any media icons you want. Now tap on it, and finally we can give a little touch up on the tools. Go to adjust, little clarity, little saturation, little contrast, little highlights, decrease little shadow. Tap on it. Friends, finally our creative dual photo editing tutorial completed. Tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.